Welcome to today's episode of Quiche in a Cup. First, you need a cup or a mug. I'm just using this large ramekin here. And you need an egg. Your egg, and you want to crack it in your cup. Now you're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of cream or whole milk or skim milk, whatever really floats your boat, and add this to your egg. Add 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix this together with a fork or a whisk. Now grab some grape tomatoes and halve them and throw them in with your egg mixture. I put about 4 tomatoes cut in half. Now add a pinch of salt, 2 pinches, and a little bit of pepper. And now for the cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. I'm going to use cheddar. About 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, and place it right on top of your mixture. And now I'm going to place some fresh cilantro, fresh parsley. You can put whatever you want on this. Put ham in here, you can put onions in here. Our quiche. Place your quiche in a cup in the microwave for 1 minute. It's been 1 minute, and this looks lovely. Can you quiche in a cup? To see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. All right, let's try this. It is so good. Look at that. The cheese. Wow. Got this idea from, you should check him out. It's called Simple Cooking Channel, and he's on YouTube. Look at that. It is outstanding. If you need a breakfast to go, this literally takes 1 minute and 30 seconds. Well, have a great day. Bye.